Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set your all Facebook post to private. So simply open your Facebook. So this method will be work any Android and iOS. In the same process, click on to menu option, settings and privacy, then you get settings option. Scroll down, click on to activity lock. Choose the first option, your Facebook activity. Press on to arrow option, then you get more option. Click on to manage post. Okay, press on filter. I'm just select all date and category all. I'm already select your post, photo and video, then showing it to your all post, photo or video. If you want to select one by one, or click on to all option. Okay, and press on three dot, change audience. Press on and you just select only me. When you select only me, then your all post is private at once.